Hey guys, Gemini has arrived in Google Translate. So in this video, let's see how it's going to make your translation experience very easy. Here I am going to show you dictionary and alternatives feature demo. This time we are going to see all features in Google Translate web version. In another video, we will analyze Google Translate app for same updates. Open your browser and search translate.google.com. This is the interface of Google Translate web version. Now I am typing a word that is hello. Here is the option of see dictionary below hello word. Now I am clicking on it. Then we will see how this dictionary is showing meaning of particular word. So here you can see definition of hello in different type of factors like noun, verb and interjection. So you can find very detailed definition of particular word. In the right side option is appearing show alternatives. Click on it to check alternatives. So here you can see there are many alternatives of particular word translation. Now I am typing another word and this time my word is extraordinary. This time we are using advanced translation model of Google Translate and this model is built with Google Gemini and advanced model is only support in text translation and another text translation model is classic. This time we will check another new feature. For example, I have entered this new word that is dream. In right side you can see a capital G option is appearing. Click on it. By clicking on this button, we have been redirected to Google search. So guys, it was a small introduction or short demo of new feature of Google Translate web version after integration of Google Gemini.